This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Smith Mountain Lake real estate property video is presented by Dana Montgomery. Ready for summer at Smith Mountain Lake. This beautiful home checks all the boxes for lakefront living. The entry-level boasts a desirable split floor plan, with a spacious master suite on one side and 2 additional bedrooms on the other. The great room features a cozy fireplace, seamlessly connecting to a modern kitchen and a bright sun porch, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The lower level offers even more space, including a bunk room, family room, and game room, all opening to a fabulous covered porch. Outside, enjoy a short, flat walk to your double slip dock, making lake days easy and fun. Just across the street is the community pool, tennis and basketball courts for even more fun. This property comes fully furnished, excluding personal items, so you can start for more.